Enjoy The Sopranos final season premiere. 8APR07. It was a bittersweet moment for fans of The Sopranos when HBO announced the final 9 episodes of the 6th season. Over the last 9 years, Madon, has it been that long? We and #39, VE come to know Tony like our own boss, Paulie like our own captain, and we laugh every time we hear Silvio go, "Just when I thought I was out." You know how it goes. Now that the critically acclaimed series is coming to an end, we have all the more reason to savor every minute of the final 9 episodes. To get the most out of the final season premiere on April 8, 2007, I and #39, VE assembled a handy and #39, how to and #39, for die-hard Sopranos fans everywhere. Catch up. To make sure that you pick up exactly where The Sopranos last left off, revisit previous seasons by watching earlier episodes. Personally, I make it a requirement to re-watch all seasons. Obviously not everyone is as ridiculous or has as much time on their hands as I do, but I cannot overstress the importance of making sure you and #39 in sync with the characters and the storylines. You want to make sure you remember any and everyone who got clipped, who owes who money, who and #39 got a beef with who, etc. At a bare minimum, I recommend you watch the previous season. When the premiere airs, you don and #39 want to be scratching your head trying to figure out why some character is being whacked. To help you catch up, here are some great clips made by dedicated Sopranos fans all over the internet. 7-minute Sopranos, a whacked-out refresher. Season recaps for the first 5 seasons, each under 3 minutes. Season 1. http://www.youtube.com/watchquestionmark/VEquals_ZQSZFA03Z Season 2. http://www.youtube.com/watchquestionmark/VEquals_NehaoJ3VMW Season 3. http://www.youtube.com/watchquestionmark/VEquals_NewBVP0DGVBHC Season 4. http://www.youtube.com/watchquestionmark/VEquals_C7V6FLUBU64 Season 5. http://www.youtube.com/watchquestionmark/VEquals_ACFGoose G3TRQ Predictions. anyone. After you end #39, VE familiarized yourself with the plot twists, rewatched your favorite and #39, whacking and #39, scenes, wanna see them all? In chronological order, you end #39, ready to make your own predictions. Here are some major storylines and themes you might want to take a and #39, shot and #39, at, pun intended, Tony and Carmela and #39, S relationship. Will it strengthen, or will Tony and #39, Escamas continue to plague their marriage? Christopher Moltisanti, what becomes of his role in the DiMeo crime family? Will pressure from the FBI and Tony and #39, sh shift the family and #39, s responsibilities to and #39, Chrissy and #39? Corrado and #39, Junior and #39, Soprano, what will Tony do with his uncle? Dementia, old age, not to mention his several attempts to have Tony clipped all point to a sad outcome for Uncle and #39, June and #39. Meadow and Anthony Jr. Soprano, Meadow and #39, s getting married, AJ needs to grow up. Will the Soprano family bond get tighter with time, or will it suffer the same ambiguities as Tony and #39, S and #39, other and #39, family? And of course, their and #39, s everyone and #39, s favorite prediction, who and #39, s gonna get whacked this time, it and #39, s a ritual for all Sopranos fans, and cast members too. You never know who it and #39, s going to be or when it and #39, s going to happen, but you know it will happen. Have fun with this one, because everyone knows, someone will get clipped when it all ends. Throw your own premiere party. Every season premiere, the cast of The Sopranos have a ball getting together, celebrating the new season with glitzy outfits, great food, and enjoying each other and #39, s company. Why can and #39, we do the same? If you want an and #39, authentic and #39, recipes on what to serve your guests on your premiere party, check out Soprano Sue and #39, s and #39, perfect premiere party and #39. Her suggestions include bakeries and butchers from New Jersey and Newark. Organize a fancy and #39, sit down and #39, with your close friends for the big night on Sunday. This is the perfect excuse to have great Italian food, pasta staples, deli meat trays, and lots of wine. Here are must-haves and must-dos for your party. Must-haves: baked ziti, AJ and #39's favorite. Resist the urge to recite AJ and #39's memorable line. Deli meat tray, Gabagool, cuoll, is a must-have. Throw in some prosciutto, genoa salami, mortadella, and you and #39, in business. I and #39, D also recommend a few slices of Virginia ham, in memory of Olivia Soprano. Cheese tray: try to stick to a larger number of and #39, friendlier and #39, cheeses, but still have a good amount of and #39, exotic and #39, ones. If you need recommendations, here and #39, a glossary. Must-dos, panel predictions: find out what everyone and #39's predictions are, and see who comes closest when the premiere is done. Cigars: what and #39's A Sopranos episode without smoking a cigar with Tony? Watch the most recent episode of The Sopranos right before the premiere airs. Nothing is more satisfying than being able to find out what happens next on The Sopranos without having to wait a week, or months for that matter. If you and #39 completed all these steps, I and #39 am sure premiere night on April 8, 2007 will be one you one and #39 forget. If not, who cares? The Sopranos will be going out in style. SALUD.